Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2022 Volvo XC40 T5 Inscription in Pebble Grey Metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This is a very well-equipped Volvo XC40. Check out the cool styling kit along the bottom. Those active bending Thor's hammer headlights, those are full LED lights. The tail lights are full LED, the fog lights are as well. 19-inch Inscription wheels. This has the climate package and the advanced package. Integrated roof rails up top. There's keyless entry and a hands-free power liftgate. And Pebble Grey Metallic just looks so good on an XC40. Super sharp. You'll notice for 2022, the tailpipes have been sort of out of sight, out of mind, tucked away, and that is a indication that the future is electric. There's a grocery divider in here. And if you don't need this luggage cover up here, this actually you can pull right off and it stores nice and neatly right under here. You can fold this flat when that's in there if you'd rather have your dogs in the back. In 2020, Volvo committed to no serious injuries or fatalities in their cars because of all the safety standards and safety features and crumple zones and roll cages. One of the safest cars on the road for sure. If you have a chance, check out the Volvos dropped from a crane and you'll see that the entire cabin has been nearly untouched, and it's pretty impressive. Your seat controls are right here. This has the leg extension piece that pulls out. It's a manual piece, so you pull this right here. Giant panoramic sunroof. Cool driftwood inlays. The Harman Kardon stereo system is part of the Inscription trim level. You get the cool crystal gear shifter, wireless phone charger, plug in up top for Apple CarPlay. Your ignition switch is right here. So with your foot firmly on the brake, you get to see all those safety features. City safety collision avoidance is the forward collision avoidance, and that detects pedestrians, large animals, cyclists. It has navigation. Off to the left, this is where you'll find all of your vehicle functions. This has the park in and out feature, so it'll actually help you park. Your climate control is down here. Choose your temperature. Let your partner choose their own. Everyone's happy. Heated steering, heated seats. You can select your drive mode right here. However you'd like to drive for the day. Cool storage features. For the XC40, this is a removable trash can. And in here, you get a hook, which I think every glove box should have a hook to hang to-go food so it doesn't spill all over everything. And then over here, these are little slots that you could put credit cards or business cards, and they hold really well in there. Well, if today's the day you see yourself behind the wheel of this beautiful, elegant, compact SUV, it is stock number 22213. There's the link in the description box below for all the details, but we'd love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Check us out at portlandvolvo.com, and thanks for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.